Guys, today we're diving into the world of high-res audio earbuds. These are the ROSESELSA EARFREE i5 TWS earbuds. These have got LDAC HiFi Sound, active noise cancellation, IPX5 waterproofing, Bluetooth 5.3 and a low latency game mode. These earbuds are right up there, so stick around to see if ROSESELSA has stepped up their game with this new iteration. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens. Thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech. So if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, established in 2015, ROSESELSA, formerly known as Rose or Rose Technics, is a rising audio brand that has dedicated years to the pursuit of delivering unparalleled original sound reproduction through intelligent technology and meticulous manufacturing. Over the past years, they've introduced a series of excellent audio products well known to music enthusiasts both domestically and internationally. And these ear-free i5s are the latest evolution of their already popular i3s. Now, before we get into it, ROSESELSA sent me these i5 earbuds to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know, whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get these out of the box and see what we have. So guys, first of all, open up the box and we've got some instructions. Then we've got a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Bit of a shame that it's USB-A, I mean, but you know, there you are. Can't really blame them for that because a lot of people are still doing that, but us Mac users could do with USB-C to USB-C. But anyway, it is what it is. Then guys, we have some ear tips. So there are a bunch of ear tips in there to make sure that you get a nice fit when you pop these in your ears. And then guys, you've got the earbuds themselves. And you know what? I like these. You know, looking around them, they're really nice. They're made out of metal. The case is made out of metal. It's got a nice LED on the front to let you know about charging. You've got the USB-C charge port on the back, and you've got a bit of a reset button there just to put it into pairing in case it doesn't pair up with your device. But you know what? Right out of the gate, these worked absolutely fine, but they really do feel premium. And you know what? They look a little bit like AirPods, which is quite nice. Now, first up, let's talk about what I really like about these earbuds. So, as I said, right out the gate, the sound quality is definitely a standout feature. I've got plenty of good things to say about audio performance, but I'll get into that in just a few minutes. Now, when it comes to build quality, like I said, ROSESELSA has made a significant upgrade here because this metal case, it's like an aluminium alloy case, is a definite upgrade on the i3s, which were plastic. And I know a lot of them are plastic, but I just really like the feel of this. And it really gives these earbuds a more premium feel. And while it's not a major leap from the i3s, there are some noteworthy tech improvements. For starters, you've got Bluetooth 5.3, you've got LDAC, AAC and SBC support. You get water resistance, a water resistance rating of IPX5. You also get in-ear sensors, which is quite nice because, you know, then it knows that your music's starting, your music's stopping, or content, whatever you're listening to. And, you know, if you take your earbuds out, you know, a lot of, let's say, cheaper market earbuds do, your content carries on playing, so you can kind of still hear it. So it's quite nice that you got in-ear sensors. And guys, obviously you've got that active noise cancellation as well. And the other thing that I really like is the fact that it's got multi-point support. So you know what, you can listen to different content, and you know, when it comes to taking calls and stuff like that, it all switches automatically, which is very, very nice. And with all of that tech, battery life is still impressive. Matching the previous model without ANC, you're looking at around 10 hours of playtime, and with the case, that extends to 40 hours in total. And you know what? What I really like is you get a quick 10-minute charge, so you're going to get 12 hours of juice out of a 10-minute charge. So that's pretty cool, right? Now, obviously, there will be a bit of a trade-off using ANC and LDAC. And let me just point out that LDAC still isn't available on iPhone. I mean, I am an iPhone user, but predominantly anyway. But you know what? In terms of battery life, you're going to drop a few hours if you're using any of those features. But overall, guys, these earbuds are well executed. But of course, there's always room for improvement. I mean, if I had to mention a couple of things where I'd like small improvements, I'd say that when you're using ANC mode outside, the wind buffering performance isn't that great. I mean, it could be better. And I also wish that the transparency mode had a bit more amplification. But you know what? None of these are really showstoppers. Now, guys, onto that important sound quality. And this is where the i5 really shines. I mean, remember how I said the i3 was a good sounding earbud? It definitely was, whichever way you want to look at it. Well, the i5 takes it up a notch with definitely a more polished sound. The sound signature is full and powerful, and it has a slightly narrower soundstage compared to traditional high-res audio earbuds, but it has got impressive bass performance. I mean, not thumping, just nice and balanced. And ROSESELSA has improved that sub bass performance, so that's quite nice. You get a deep, satisfying rumble with every note. And you know what? Vocals sound great. Now, they're slightly recessed compared to other frequencies, but you know what? They are clear with almost no distortion, even when you jack up the volume. So that's pretty nice. And you know what, guys? The highs perform extremely well. I mean, I like a bit more treble in my sound, and you know what? These earbuds do it well, especially in LDAC mode, which I was able to try on my Samsung device anyway. But you know what? They reproduced nicely. The highs were lovely, and you know what? I like bright sounding sounds, so I was very happy with these. Now, guys, like a lot of earbuds, to get the most out of them, you have an accompanying app. Of course, there's always an app, right? And this app has got a nice update too. It now has a cleaner, more mature design. You can get a one-page layout with the earbud design and battery percentages and all of that stuff prominently displayed. The app also gives you control over ANC, wind noise reduction and transparency mode. And there's also a super master EQ with 4 presets, although no manual equalization option. Now, you can select your preferred codec, you can toggle gaming mode, and you can adjust the touch controls, because obviously in these earbuds, which I'm now gonna just pop in my ears, they're all tap, you know, to get fast forward, play pause, go back, so forward skip, you know, all the usual controls, make and take calls, etc. So you know what, you can kind of do all of that from the app. You can configure all of that, and the app also lets you customize the in-ear detection and voice languages preferences, so that's pretty nice too. And you know what, guys, when it comes to noise cancellation, well, that gets a bump in spec too. It now handles low humming noises like aeroplane cabin noise really well, and that's predominantly my main usage for noise cancelling headphones is when I travel, so that's a nice touch. And you know what, when you've got soft playing music in the background, you know what, you can barely hear any of that background noise. So guys, there you have it. These are the i5 ear-free i5s from ROSESELSA. They're really quite good. They've made some solid improvements from the i3, especially in sound quality and ANC performance, and they are delivered in a very well designed package. If you're on the market for high-res audio earbuds with great features at a reasonable price, these are definitely worth considering. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can pick these up for less than £80, which is a lot of earbud for a fraction of the price of some of its competitors. Well, I don't know why I'm holding that up. You can get from that what you will. But guys, I'll leave any product links, any discounts in the description. And if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to ROSESELSA for sending me these great sounding earbuds to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.